The next part of a persuasive text is the body. The body supports the opinion with facts. We know the writer's opinion is that dogs are the best pet. Let's see how the writer supports this opinion. Dogs can help people stay active. Many people have fun walking their dogs. Playing fetch with a dog can often bring people joy. Being outside, getting exercise is wonderful for both dogs and humans. Dogs are usually very smart animals. Dogs can learn many tricks. They can also be trained to carefully obey their owners. Dogs are very loyal pets. Dogs are bundles of excitement every time they see you. Nothing says welcome home like the happily wagging tail of a pet dog. The writer explained 3 ways why dogs are the best pet. Dogs help people stay active, they are usually very smart animals, and they are loyal pets. They explained each of these as well.